What's going on, fam? Welcome to another travel vlog. Good morning, fam. What up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome to another vlog. So today we finally made it here in Valencia, Spain. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a walking tour around the city of Valencia. So stay tuned, follow along, don't go nowhere. Let's go. Welcome to Valencia, España, the third largest city in Spain. Let's explore. What's up, fam? So we're here. This is the whole tour. Look at that. So we're divided into two groups. So the other group is over there. They all speak German, and this small group speaks English. Lo que sea contigo, aunque tú me veas solo como amigo. Yeah, no solo quiero pa' eso. Yeah, no solamente pa' el sexo. Yeah, lo que sea contigo, aunque tú me veas solo como amigo. Yeah, estoy loco de tus besos. So yeah, guys, I forgot to mention we booked this walking city tour from MSC Cruises. So this is our first stop. I'm going to show you. We are at the Valencia Cathedral. So we just got out the cathedral. Trying to talk a little bit on this vlog because this is mainly just B-rolls. So we're walking now. I'm not sure exactly where we're going. I'm taking a little break from the tour. All right, I'll show you some more B-rolls. Let's go. Mi vida, eso es toda mi aurora. Lo que quiero es amor. Nada de compasión. No, no, no lo sé si tú sabes que te quiero pero no lo es. Alright, fam, so I don't know, there's something about European alleyways. It's fire. I really like it for some reason. There's something about it that I really like. I don't know why. Look at this. It's so cool. You know why, I think? Maybe because the alleyways in the US is so dangerous. You can easily get stabbed there or get killed. Here the alleyways are just really cool. There's so many shops, so many like restaurants that you can just hang out. It's not like the alleyways in the US. Scary, bro. Qué pena que esto se volvió una condena, pero eso no me frena, que fueras ajena. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez. Alright, fam, so we're now here inside the market. Look at this. Looks pretty clean. I don't know where to go though. Look at all the meat. Alright, we're gonna explore a little bit more. Let's go. Que los errores de mi vida nunca fueron culpa mía y el destino quiso traicionarme, pero me di cuenta demasiado tarde que por esas vainas te perdí a ti. No estuvo en mi mente hacerte sufrir, ni en mis pesadillas dejarte ir. Yeah, yeah. Wow, guys, it's really fire here. I love it. The vibe here is so chill. Everyone's just chilling, eating, walking. But look how beautiful this place is. Look at that. Wow, look at that background. So nice. Anyway, I'm also getting tired. We're doing this walking tour for like, I think 3 hours. It's tiring, but the view and the places that you'll see makes it worth it. So all right, I'll keep vlogging and enjoy watching. Plaza del Ayuntamiento is the most scenic place in Valencia, surrounded by different architectural treasures and different Spanish styles. Alright, so we're taking a little break now. We've been walking for about like 2 hours now. So right now they're just hanging out there. We're waiting for our tour bus to come. It's gonna pick us up here shortly. Wow, guys, so impressed. We're in Valencia, Spain. It's super clean, super nice. The buildings, architecture buildings are super nice. I can't believe how clean it is here. Yeah, it's really nice here, you guys. I highly recommend coming over here. Really worth visiting. I really like it here. Actually, I can live here. I wish. Anyway, all right. Talk to you guys in a little bit. Deuces.
Será muy egoísta a ti desearte el mal. Yeah, conmigo a la buena y la mala pa' él. Yeah, yo soy como turista visitando el mar. Yeah, te digo con otro solo que no hacía. Lo que sea contigo, aunque tú me veas solo.
Alright, guys, so our next stop is the Science Museum. Wow, looks fire, so nice. Let me show you real quick right now.
Yeah, estoy loco de tus besos. Yeah, baby, por ti es que rezo. Yeah, no sé si soy invisible, pero bebé, si quiero decirte que nadie te tratará como yo. Que él al final soy como todo, y ahí te tiene como yo. La no sube la navaja, él es la navaja. No te aporta nada, mami, es que no me encaja. Que porque es lindo tiene ventaja. Lo lindo se acaba con los años y del otro no tiene nada. Pido, ni semana todo le encuentra sentido. Yeah, baby, no es que sea mal nacido, sino que me ofrece lo que te he ofrecido.
Alright, fam, so I'm finally closing this vlog. We're finally back here in our cabin, or in our stateroom here in the ship. I hope you enjoyed watching my Valencia, Spain walking tour. And if you enjoyed watching this vlog, please make sure you click that like button. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and make sure you ring that notification bell so you'll be updated for my next vlog. Alright, I'm outie. Deuces.